Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you essentially a perfect setup for you to trade while you're using AI signals. And basically what you're looking for is for the price action to dip down into an oversold or overbought area. In this example, we were watching Square for a while. This is on the 15-minute chart. And you can see that the price action has drawn Square down into the oversold area, which you can see as indicated by this green area at the bottom of your chart here. Basically what happens is as Square's in this downtrend, you're looking for it to go from oversold in this darker green area to extremely oversold, which is this brighter green area. And as you get more experienced using AI signals, you can spot patterns like this. When these two red candles form way outside of the oversold area, you can sell option premium here. So you can sell puts, you can sell put vertical spreads, and you can buy the stock outright if you wish. But it's a good indication of a place where you should consider getting long on the stock. And what happened was it came back into the normal channel and then kind of hovered in this oversold area still, and then the buy signal finally came out when it was time to buy, and you could ride it up through here back into the overbought area, which is indicated by this red zone here at the top. And then obviously once it's up there, now you're looking to get on the reverse side of the trend and you're looking to sell. So just simple trades like this that you can set up quickly and monitor with AI signals, and it should get you on the right track. If you have any questions, please email us.